Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java object-oriented programming, session number 6, directly setting variables. So first we'll discuss how to implement it. So as a beginner, what mistake we are doing. Okay, first we'll type the code. Afterwards, we'll find the fault in that. Then only as a beginner, you will avoid these mistakes. Okay, so try to follow till the end. Then only you can able to understand. If you're confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notification option. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session update. Let's get started. So I'm moving in the beginners end. Okay, in our previous sessions, we are discussed about what is a class, object, pure theory part. Am I right? Sometimes it may get bored. Now we are getting the actual picture. Okay, so kindly watch it till the end. Okay, so first I'm going to type this code in my Eclipse ID. Afterwards, I'll tell you what's wrong with that. Okay. So first of all, we already know class is a blueprint or template from which objects are created. So for this mobile phone, the data members are what are they? Processor, camera quality, mobile price. Methods are make a call, send a SMS, browse internet. So how to access this data members? All these things now we'll discuss. First, I'll copy the code, okay, to save the time. And I'm already having the code. I'm simply going to copy it and paste it here. See, this is the method one. Done. Yeah, yeah. See here, what's the class name? Mobile phone. Always the class name. All the first letters are should be caps. Okay, mobile phone. So this is my class name. File name and class name should be same. File name and class name should be same. So what are the data members of this mobile phone? Processor, camera quality, mobile price. I already told you it won't take memory. Just stored in the class area. Okay. So I'll show you the example. See here. Nothing is present. So far, processor, camera quality, and mobile price stored in the class area. Okay, it won't get memory. Mark my word, it won't get memory. Important interview question. It won't get memory. This is data members, instance variables. Future will discuss what are the types of variable. This, as of now, just try to understand. These are the data members. Okay, these are the data members. It won't get memory. When that memory will be allocated means while you're creating the object. I'll tell you, so how to create the object. Class name, object reference variable name equal to new mobile phone. So while you're using the new keyword only, memory will be allocated at the time only. Object will be allocated which area? Heap memory area. So at that time what will happen means readme reference variable. Okay, this is what object reference variable. Now only at the time of object creation only, this instance variable will get the default value. Will get the default value. String means what is that? Now only already we having the instance variables here, data members. It won't get memory. Now only after creating this object, okay, readme, it will get the memory. Okay, processor string by default, what's the value means? String means null. Camera quality null. Mobile price, I'm giving 30,000. Sorry, initially zero only. I'm right, because string null means integer value. Mobile is zero. Mobile price is zero. Mobile price is zero. Okay. Remaining methods are still, it is in the class area itself. For your reference, I'm telling. Okay, class area itself, these methods are available. Okay. It won't initialize. It'll be wait. Next, what you're doing, I'm going to initialize this the data members. I'm going to initialize this data members. How to initialize the data members means one of the method I'm showing for. Okay, as a beginner in, I'm telling. Afterwards, I tell you what's wrong with this like this. Okay, first of all, what's the object reference variable? Redmi. So Redmi dot processor equal to Snapdragon. Okay, it will be now initialized in this processor Redmi object. Under the Redmi object processor, it will be initialized as Snapdragon. Okay, Snapdragon. Next, Redmi dot camera quality 50 megapixel. I'm giving 50 megapixel. So now what will happen? It initialize the camera quality under which object? Redmi. Mobile price 15,000. Okay, for namesake I'm giving. After that, I'm printing this Redmi mobile details. So you, by the help of system.out.println, Redmi dot processor, how you initialize same order you are printing now. Redmi dot processor, Redmi dot camera quality, same way now you are printing. Okay, Redmi dot mobile price. You can give the Redmi mobile price here itself, no issues. Order, no issues. You're just following the same format. How we are assigned Redmi dot object reference variable dot process. Same way you are going to print it. That's it. In same format you are going to print it. Next, I'm passing the value Redmi dot make call. This is the method. I'm right. Methods of this mobile phone. Methods of this mobile phone. So what I'm passing, some string value, phone number, make call. So make call. The receiving also should be the string because I'm passing the text. So text means string only you should pass. Okay. So receiving and also string number. So that number will be stored. Calling that number will be printed. What's the next step? Line number 37. I'm passing the send text to which number I'm sending what message. Hi, I'm Redmi. So to both the parameters are now strings. Both the parameters are now strings. See here, send text. So number is some sending number is the message. I am Redmi. So sending what will be printed? Sending text to this number. Hi, I'm Redmi. After that, what I'm giving? I'm passing some URL for understanding purpose. Browse internet. So browse internet. That URL will be there. That browsing will be printed. This is one kind of way of creating object and initializing the data members. Afterwards, I'll tell you what's wrong with this. First, we'll go with this. So how to run means go to this play button, then click that run as Java application. Now it will execute the output. Redmi mobile details, Snapdragon, to whom you are calling, to whom you are sending the message, browsing URL. Okay. So there may be a question whether only one object is allowed, whether only Redmi is available in the market, a number of mobile brands are available. Am I right? Next, I'm going for a namesake, Vivo. So Vivo is the second reference variable. Till that, this it won't get the memory. Am I right? Wait, here. These data members are there. Okay, still now it looks like this only. Okay, it won't get memory. Next, while I'm creating the, okay, while I'm creating the next object, what is that? Vivo. So class name object reference variable name equal to new class name. So this is the procedure to create an object. While you're giving the new keyword, memory will be allocated, object will be created. So what I'm doing means vivo dot processor equal to Snapdragon. Okay, vivo dot processor equal to Snapdragon I'm giving. Next, Vivo dot camera quality equal to 16 megapixel. This time you are referring Vivo. Please understand. Okay. Previous time we have used Redmi. Now we are using Vivo. So camera quality. What is that camera quality? 16 megapixel. 16 megapixel. It's not a original one. Just for naming purpose, I'm giving. Okay. Next, mobile price. I'm giving 30,000. Okay, like this it will be initialized, and after same way vivo mobile details, how to retrieve or print the data members values means object reference variable dot vo dot processor vo dot camera quality vo dot mobile price. Okay. Next, same procedure what you have done in the Redmi, make call, send text, browse internet. I hope you are clear with this. Then what's wrong with that? Then what's wrong with that? That is what we should discuss. I'll tell you clearly. See, first method, what's the problem means? We are creating the object and then initializing the what is the data members. But what wrong with this means? It's like a public telephone booth. Anyone can access like this. Am I right? By the help of reference variable, object reference variable. If you know means Redmi dot processor equal to Snapdragon. Anyone can access it. But that's the problem. The doors are open to everyone. Whether in our house, doors are open to everyone. Only the particular members can come and go. Am I right? The same thing. What's the problem with means? Here the advantage beginner can easily understand. You can directly assign it, no issues on that. Like writing on a notebook, no permission is needed. You can directly do that object creation. It's easy for understanding. But what's the reality problem means? If you're giving the open option to everyone, anyone can modify it. I'm right. So instead of 5,000, they can give minus 5,000 or they will give only the mobile price is 1 rupee. Whether it's the right thing, so we should follow the OOPS concept encapsulation, binding the data, that is variables and methods. You have to merge it and then protect it. Okay, outside party should not access it. I already told you with the real-time example capsule. Variety of medicines are there. It is protected from outside disturbance. Am I right? Same thing. If you are doing like this, simply if you are giving the access rights, anyone can access like Redmi dot Vivo dot. I can give 1 rupee also. Am I right? So ATM machine, can you able directly change your balance? No. It's a process, I'm right. Withdraw deposit based on that, your balance will be updated. If I'm giving the open chance, you can change the balance means you can change the balance like a $50,000 or a 50,000 rupees, you can modify it. I'm right. There is no control, there is no security. This is the problem in the method one. Anyone can change value anytime. Okay, so mobile price equal to one, processor equal to unknown. So you're completely your mobile data is not destroyed. So there is no rules or validation, no protection. One more problem is code duplication. If I'm using for one class Redmi dot processor, Redmi dot camera quality means if I'm having the 10 classes here itself, I'm repeating the codes here. This Redmi dot processor, Redmi quality. Likewise, I'm using Vivo dot processor, Vivo camera quality, mobile price. It's not the right one. So you should avoid this duplication. In future, while I'm discussing encapsulation, I'm having the code. I will explain you how to cut short this. Okay. One more problem. If you're using the same approach, directly initializing, one more problem. If I'm adding one more field battery, what you'll do? You'll use vivo dot battery equal to redmi dot battery equal to after that system dot out dot println battery redmi dot battery vivo dot battery will give it. So again the code size will be increased. This is not the right approach. So you can use the method. So it will use the reusability concept. I'm right. So that is what we are going to discuss in the method 2. Okay, it's not a good programming industry standards. It's not a good programming industry standards. Okay, we will discuss, no issues. I hope you are clear with this. What's the problem with the method 1? So we have clearly explained about what's the problem with that. If you're exiting this code, no error, but the problem is anyone can access, like anyone can change the data. So that is the problem in method 1. In the next session we'll discuss about the method 2. Okay. If you found the session useful, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.